Hello, everyone. This is Anil here, CEO Cloud Enable Singapore. I invite you to join this exciting journey of your cloud architect program from Amazon Cloud Perspective. The session is delivered by my consultants who actually help clients to move to Amazon Cloud. So you're going to enjoy more of a practical experience than rather just theoretical. We focus on 80-20 rule. 80% of our session is focused on hands-on and 20% is on theory. And trust me, we don't run boring classes, so you're just going to enjoy the entire session. So this program is 3 weekends, which will be done 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Singapore time. And this will be live instructor led, so you can ask interactive questions if you have any. So the main topics are ELP, Elastic Kubernetes Service, Route 53, which is the DNS from Amazon, EC2 for compute, RDS for database, DynamoDB for NoSQL. All the topics and outline, I put it across in somewhere down this link on the outline, what you're going to cover in totality. And we're also going to give you a bonus for preparing for your Amazon Cloud Architect program with some exam questions, which will help you to prepare for the real certification. So I promise you, we're going to expose to a lot of AWS services, and the training is going to be very interactive. And I look forward for you guys to join this program and make yourself an AWS Solution Architect certified. Thank you. Stay safe and stay learning. That's more important. Bye for now.